Keywords are the basic building blocks of search engine optimization success. They are the words and phrases that connect your content with your target audience through search engines. Understanding how to research and select the right keywords is very important for your digital marketing strategy. There are different types of keywords. Short-tail keywords are 1 to 2 words. They have high competition and a broad intent. Long-tail keywords are 3 or more words, have lower competition and a specific intent. LSI keywords are semantically related terms that provide context. Geographic keywords are location-specific terms for local search engine optimization. The keyword research process involves 3 main steps. First is to brainstorm topics. Start with your core business topics and expand to related themes and subjects your audience cares about. Consider your products, services, and industry terminology. Second is to generate keywords. Use keyword research tools to expand your initial topics into specific keywords. Include variations, synonyms, and related terms that your target audience might use. The third step is to analyze and refine. Evaluate keywords based on search volume, competition, and relevance to your goals. Focus on terms that balance traffic potential with your ability to compete. There are several tools available for keyword research. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool integrated with Google Ads. It provides search volume data and keyword suggestions based on real Google searches. SEMrush is a comprehensive search engine optimization suite offering competitive analysis, keyword difficulty scores, and position tracking. Ahrefs is a powerful backlink analysis tool with an extensive keyword database and content research capabilities. Some of the key features to look for in these tools are search volume analytics, keyword difficulty metrics, search engine results page analysis, and competitive analysis. Understanding search intent is crucial. There are 4 types of search intent. Informational intent means users are seeking information or answers to specific questions. They want to learn something. For example, how to make sourdough bread. Navigational intent means users are looking for a specific website or location. They know where they want to go, like a Facebook login page. Commercial intent means users are researching products or services before making a purchase decision. For example, best smartphones of 2024. Transactional intent means users are ready to make a purchase or complete a specific action. For example, buy iPhone 15 Pro Max. There are 2 important keyword metrics to consider. Search volume is the average number of monthly searches for a keyword. Higher volumes indicate greater potential traffic, but often come with increased competition. Keyword difficulty measures how hard it is to rank for a keyword based on competition. Consider your site's authority when evaluating difficulty scores. When selecting keywords, consider these important criteria. First is relevance. Keywords must align perfectly with your content, business goals, and user intent. Consider how well the keyword matches your target audience's search behavior and content purpose. Second is competition balance. Balance search volume with competition level. Target keywords where you have a realistic chance of ranking, considering your site's authority and resources. Third is user value. Focus on keywords that provide genuine value to users and align with their search intent. Consider commercial value and conversion potential for business goals. A good selection matrix includes high relevance, moderate competition, and clear intent. Long-tail keywords are specific, longer phrases that visitors are more likely to use when they are closer to making a purchase or when using voice search. They have lower search volume but higher conversion value. For example, a short-tail keyword would be running shoes, while a long-tail keyword would be best cushion running shoes for marathon training. The key benefits of using long-tail keywords are lower competition, higher conversion rates, and better qualified traffic. Keywords should be implemented strategically. Place your primary keyword near the beginning of your title tag, keeping it natural and under 60 characters. Include your main keyword and variations naturally within the 155 to 160 character description in the meta description. Use keywords naturally throughout content, including in heading 1, heading 2 headers, and the first paragraph. For example, the title could be Best Running Shoes for Marathon Training, Expert Guide 2024. The meta description could be Discover the best cushion running shoes for marathon training. Expert reviews, comparisons, and recommendations for long-distance runners. The H1 heading could be Best Running Shoes for Marathon Training Complete Guide. In summary, thorough keyword research forms the foundation of search engine optimization success. Focus on both data and user intent to identify valuable opportunities. Strike the right balance between short and long-tail keywords. Target terms that match your site's authority and business goals. Always prioritize user experience and intent when implementing keywords. Natural integration leads to better engagement and conversions. Some next steps to consider include auditing current keyword performance, identifying new opportunities, creating a content strategy, and monitoring and optimizing your results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.